This problem asks us to multiply, and what we're multiplying here is, you can see 3x, this is a monomial, right? It's a polynomial with one term. And then 3x minus 5 is a binomial. So we are multiplying a monomial by a binomial. And traditionally when you see something written like this, you think, we're going to do the distributive property, right? We're going to take that 3x and multiply it to both terms. Now we just have to remember how we multiply terms like a 3x times a 3x. So when I do this step, when I do 3x times 3x, what does that give me? 3 times 3 is 9. And then what is x times x? X times x is going to be x squared, right? Remember, you add the exponents, so it would be 1 plus 1. And now 3x times negative 5 is going to give us a negative. Remember, we multiply the numbers out front. 3x times 5 is negative 15x. So again, all we did was we just distributed the 3x in here. Now, part B is a little bit more difficult, so what we're going to do is we are going to take negative 2w squared v, and we're going to distribute that into this to all three things. This one over here is a trinomial, right? Because it has 1, 2, 3 terms. Now let's distribute into this polynomial. So we're going to start by negative 2 times positive 3 is going to give us a negative 6. And then w squared times w to the third is w to the, what do you do with these exponents? Remember, when you're multiplying w squared times w to the third, you add the exponents, and that's going to give us w to the fifth. And then you can see I'm multiplying this v by in there, so I don't see a v to combine it with, so we just bring it along. Now we're going to do the same thing with this. We're going to multiply negative 2w squared v by negative 4w squared v to the third. So negative 2 times negative 4 is a positive 8. W squared times w squared, again, you add those exponents. W squared times w squared gives us w to the fourth. Now I have a v times v to the third is going to give us the exponent on v over here is to the first. Over here it's to the third. We add those exponents. 3 plus 1 gives us 4. Finally, I need to multiply my negative 2w squared v by 2. So negative 2 times positive 2 is a negative 4. And then I'm going to bring the w squared and v along with it. And I take a look, make sure I can't combine any like terms. You see these all have different exponents. Not only do they have to have the same letters, but all the letters have to have the same exponents. So this is as far as we can go for this one. And so this one is done.